everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anisa, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a simple refill and redesign, and I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right into the video. So right now all I'm doing is removing her stones. After this I'm going to go in and remove her gel polish. The video of the set I'm currently removing is already up, so I will leave a link at the end of the video. I also will be removing her length, and we're going back to square, as you can see by the thumbnail. Yes, you guys, she was finally over it, and I'm actually just using a fine panna drill bit because this one is so old that it's very smooth and it doesn't cut into acrylic anymore, and I don't need it to do anything like that. I just needed to remove the gel polish, and it did great at that. As you can see, it didn't leave any deep marks or anything like it used to when I first got it. These panna drill bits are very sharp when you first get them, and this one is in the fine grit. As you guys can see, she had literally no grow out, but she was tired of the green. And now I'm going in with chai again, and I'm just literally putting a bead over all of her nails just to get her nude darker and to make her nails a teeny tiny bit thicker, because she did tell me that they were thin. And also I need to fix this index finger. As you can see on the side, it is incredibly thin. That's because it was an encapsulated design, so I was gonna have to do acrylic anyways. And then she was saying that she felt like it was thin, and I was like, I'm just gonna put a bead over all the nails, because if I'm gonna do the index finger, she's gonna want me to do the rest. And I was correct. And so I did have to use a lot more acrylic on the index fingers, but still not too much. I am using JC Beauty Concepts monomer, and it actually works really good with the GZL Beauty products. As you can see, my mom is not experiencing any lifting really, which is really good for her. So these products do work good together. And after this, I will go ahead and reshape, and then it'll be time for the design. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're enjoying. And again, everything I've linked to will be linked to down below in the description. So as I said, I'm only doing minimal filing, so I don't need any carbide bits, any ceramic bits, or anything like that. All I'm using is a sanding band, and I'm going around her cuticle area to make sure that there is no acrylic on the skin. I'm going underneath the nail to get rid of any excess acrylic that is underneath there and making her shape look weird. And I'm just going over the surface because that's just what I like to do to make sure everything is nice and even. Then I will go in and hand file. Is a 60 by 60 grit hand file by 818. And after this, I will go in with her design. But I think I finally shown me buffing. It's been a while since I've shown me buffing. But these are just pink sponge buffers from Amazon, and I'm using the finer side, but you can use a more textured side if you need to just go up one and then go down to the very smooth side. But these nails do not need to be squeaky smooth, because if they are, the gel polish will not stick to them and it will just peel off. So I'm just making sure that there's no scratches, but I'm still leaving some texture on the nails. She did request that I use a ceramic bit around her cuticles just to go over it one more time, even though it looked fine before this. She's very particular about this step. She used to make me use my cuticle gel bit on her, but I bought this one specifically for this step and I've been skipping it intentionally. But she finally clocked my tea, so I had to go ahead and use it. I will also link that down below in the description. This is a Beetles gel polish. I went ahead and dusted her nails off and wiped them down with some alcohol, by the way, before I went in with the polish, just so that there was no dust or anything like that in the nails. This is a cleanup brush from Get Nailed 32. This nude color as is very sheer, and because she has a nude base, it peeks through, and the nude just so happens to be the exact same color as the one I'm applying right now. So literally one coat was enough, but if I wanted it to be full coverage, I would go ahead and go in with 2 coats, but that's not what she wanted. She said these are her perfect nails, her favorite nails, so that is why it's in the title. And this is B071, and I'm glad I found this color. I use this color so much when it comes to me doing press-on nails, and I'm glad I finally put this color on her again. And like I said, it's the exact same color as Chai, pretty much. and it is a nice tan nude. Make sure you get up any gel polish off of the skin because you can cause an allergic reaction from you leaving uncured product on the skin, and it also makes your final look way more messy, and it can also lead to lifting. So after this, I'm gonna go ahead and apply her top coat, and then that will be the end of the nails and some cuticle oil. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I have a link to will be linked to down below in the description, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.